Are you still mixing your recipes manually? At METTLER Toledo, we understand that this can be a slow and time-consuming process that often leads to recipe mix-ups, product waste, and in some cases, costly recalls. That's why we have developed a solution that guarantees 100% accuracy of your recipe formulations. METTLER Toledo's recipe management formulation software is a locally developed and supported solution which provides step-by-step guidance for precise recipe mixing and formulation. Eliminate errors. Eliminate errors with step-by-step prompts. The system can support up to 3 scales per station, from the smallest micrograms up to tons. Guarantee compliance. The recipe management system provides complete traceability of your recipes, eliminating the risk of cross-contamination, allergens, and incorrect recipes. This ensures you comply with food safety standards and regulations. Reduce product waste and recalls. The system provides step-by-step instructions, which ensures only the correct ingredient makes it into your recipe. It increases production efficiency and reduces the risk of incorrect formulations and product waste. So what are the additional benefits of the recipe management system? The system increases ingredient accuracy. It can be used in both horizontal or vertical formulation processes. Compatible with bulk products and tank scales. If you would like to automate your mixing and formulation process, and in doing so, eliminate recipe errors, guarantee compliance, and reduce product waste and recalls, then request a product demonstration today.